I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Welcome back.
If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. And today we are here because we've recently had some health issues, so we've started getting back into strict keto again. Hardest part about being strict keto is not having the snacks because everything in it has sugar. So today we're going to taste test some keto ice cream.
And kind of put them up against each other also to see which one tastes better.
This is this one here isn't really true keto. I mean, if you're going to eat this stuff all the time, you're going to be in trouble with your diet and you're not going to stay in ketosis. But for a treat every once in a while, to have a snack when everybody else is having a snack, they're not bad. This one is a little better than this one as far as ingredients goes. I got this one at Walmart. This is the Aldi's brand that they're carrying now.
And they're both mint chocolate chip.
Yum. So we're going to do a blind taste test. And the only other thing I don't like about these is when you take them out of the fridge, they're super hard. So you either got to throw them in the microwave for a few seconds to thaw it out. But each container is the same. They each have, it's 2/3 of a cup as a serving. So there's 3 servings in a container, which seems like quite a bit. And then I use a little bit of that Walton's syrup, chocolate syrup on top of it, or caramel, or something like that. Make it a real treat. All right, so here we go. Tasting away.
You can see I don't know how well you can see. Again, this is the Walmart brand on the right hand
It's not a
side.
Walmart brand, it's the one we bought at Walmart. I don't know.
And the one we got at Aldi's. They both say keto ice cream on them.
At least I didn't make them a fake green color, so that's a point for them.
Okay,
You have to tell me when you're going to feed it to me.
ready?
Or you can give it to me. Are you giving it to me? Or you...
There you go.
Jerk. Kind of. It's got mint flavor to it afterwards. It's not real creamy, it's kind of lumpy. It's not bad.
That's
I
the
didn't
first
get any
one.
chocolate chips though, so.
That's the first one. This is the second one.
Do we get the... That one's pretty good. It's got some chocolate. I got some chocolate chips in that one, and it's a little creamier. If I had to choose out of them, I'd choose that one. The other, here, give me. Is there a chocolate chip on the other one that you can give me? Where are you? I better never go blind because I won't be able to get fed. That one's got bigger chocolate chips, but yeah, they're not bad.
I can tell you which one's your favorite.
Probably the one that's worse for me on the keto, right? That one?
This
That's
one.
what I figured.
She picked the second one.
Which is actually doesn't have the true keto ingredients, so that's probably why it tastes better. It has milk and stuff in it. So it does taste like more.
I'm going to remove my glasses, and I'm already blind.
We should have borrowed my mom's blindfold. I mean, face mask.
Yeah, that's got a lot of mint flavor to it.
Stop breathing so hard on the camera.
I don't know, I think I like the first one better. The second one kind of gives me a little bit of an aftertaste.
You picked that one then? The chocolate chips gave you the aftertaste, or the?
Yeah, the chocolate gave me
I mean, this one definitely has more
mint flavor.
chocolate chips in it. No, this is the one you had first.
Right.
So we're opposite. He likes the one that's more keto.
Opposites attract.
We'll go with that. All right, so that was our blind taste test. Overall, it's a good little snack, I think. If you're gonna have to break your diet and have a snack.
what is, if you have 2/3 of a cup, it's 200 calories.
Yeah.
And the one from Aldi's is 210 calories.
But it's more the carbohydrates, but
It gives you 5 grams of
but
5 grams of carbs, and that one 3 grams of net carbs.
which again, because this one has milk and stuff like that in it, it'll probably kick you out of ketosis with the ingredients in it. But if you need a sweet treat, I think either of them are pretty good. We both picked either one, so. But
They're very
mint
similar.
chocolate chip is my favorite, so I'd go with this one, I think.
I like the mint flavor more than I like the chocolate, and I did get an aftertaste from the chocolate in the one that we got from Aldi's.
All right, so that was our scientific, non-scientific,
Blind, non-blind.
blind, not blind. Taste test. Anyway, we just need an excuse to buy some ice cream, so we figured we'd make a video and buy some ice cream, so thanks for helping us out.
Everybody enjoy their evening.
Until next time, bye.